welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Lady V. Now, Lady V is answering to Gracie as she's saying that, she only came out because her daughter was mentioned by Gracie. And if Gracie had never brought her daughter into it, there wouldn't have been any response. And, you know, I and we every one of us have seen Lady V, that she's always encouraging people and stuff. And so, this is not Lady V. We know that from all her videos that she's posted. We've never really see her um, cursing and stuff like that. So it must have been really, really something that really hurt her, why she's out in this regard. But you can check out the video. She was saying that she was encouraging chit chat not to answer to Gracie anymore, not to come out again, and you know her live about Gracie anymore, and to just let things, let sleeping dogs lie. But it took another turn. So just go ahead and watch the video and make your own comments, draw your own conclusion, I should say, from this. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night.
Respond from me, and all of the critics who are going to run with this, make sure when you know run this, you know in our caption, can me take it down off on the page. Gracie went for my daughter without a reason. My daughter never troubled Gracie. My daughter said nothing about Gracie. Even me, Valine, didn't say anything bad about Gracie. I encouraged Chit-Chat to not let it go forward. I said Gracie is distracted. Gracie like problem because the people who love her, that tell her to stay away from the problem, she move away from them, and she embrace the people who tell her, say, go and go cuss people. Right? So I didn't say anything wrong, and I did not disrespect you, but you're coming for 10 years now. You don't even know the kid. Gracie, come out here, I can tell 100 lie out of your lies, scatter teeth mouth. Your teeth them want braces and your tongue want scrape. You're dirty and you're sick stomach and you're despicable. You make me feel vomity. Oh God, I vomit for you. Can't eat. God, I'm fasting up there for you. Kind of want to lose you. Gracie, you for stop it. I mean, not care who begs, me not care who disappointed, me not care who say Lady V slam her hard, me not know who I gonna say, Lady V, you shouldn't do this, me not really business. Gracie, don't go for my daughter. My daughter never trouble you. Me see you go for people's mother, me see you go for people's children, me see you go for everything. You come out and you say me didn't know Bulldog, I mean ain't talk. Bulldog is not my problem, Bulldog is not my business. Me not have to talk, so me know her. She never troubled me. She never called me name. She never knocked my door. When me I go call up the woman name for? I said so way after the fact that I did know her. And yes, I know her. So what? Who are going to drape me and beat me? Who can come grab me up in my shirt and say you didn't know you did for talk? Am I business? The lady send me out? Same thing with Matlock. Me and such man know Matlock long time and we never tell you nothing because you're a miscreant. You want to run out people. Why you think we never tell you? Why you think we never tell you? You're a problem person. If you were a different type of person, you would have known. But because of who you are, who couldn't tell you nothing. Because you're too demonic. You love too much problem. Gracie, if you not get problem, you not get your kicks on. It come like you get turned on by problem. You know, like some sick people get turned on by fire. You get turned on by problem. Don't you dare come for my child. Nafi, you see, if she talk about Valine, wouldn't answer. And at first, she cussed me already and called me Workless V. She send people for cuss me, me never answer none of them. She send all kind of people. She send K from Jamaica. She send 13. She send Wiz Harry. She come herself. I mean, never answer. I mean, never plan for answer her. I answer nobody. I mean, never hold up K. Me never hold up 13. Me never hold up Wiz. Me never hold up she. Because me just say a social media bantering. All I said to Chit-Chat, do not engage her. Don't go there with her. This no make no sense. Me could roll off of that Chit-Chat. Don't come back out. Not disappoint me and come back out. And that is where she come now. Say she come for my daughter today. Come for which daughter? My nice clean daughter? Gracie, my daughter is 22 and she all over social media. More you go and compare the two kitty. Put your kitty with the kitty fair and compare it. Your kitty choke. Go from your girl. I'm not come back and answer you for nothing. You sick my stomach as a female. I'm so disappointed in myself, but I'm disappointed in you more, Trisha. But I am disappointed in you more. You hear? Because guess what? You should never go for a child that refer to you as auntie. Gracie, you know, say you're sick stomach, you're sick all your parents' stomach. Then so ashamed of you. You don't see it? Everybody a move away from you. When you're over there now, you give everybody, what you call it, walking out with her shoes, money. She never have shoes, her foot then lean like one high and low. You give everybody a wrench over your place because you try to keep them. That's how you play mind games with people. Nobody want to be a part of you and your mess, so you give everybody a wrench for them feel like, say, them important. The same people when you get a wrench are the same people when you call and talk their name on phone. You're a wicked girl. Where? Come out here and tell a billion liar to your lied frothy mouth and talk about Lady V. Me nah look, me nah answer you. Me nah answer you. And you can come back and say some more things about my daughter. Me nah look and me nah answer you. Because my daughter look better than you, Gracie. My daughter is not the kid that only a mother could like. My daughter is the kid that the world would love. She young, she at 22. She make her mistake now. Me no want my daughter come to on social media porn star in her 40s. Gracie in your 40s or your 50s. Based on how we look, I'm here 48 and you look older. So you in your 40s or your 50s. And me no want my daughter come be social media porn star at that stage. That's what you are now. Every man on social media know where you walk over. And you still never have the nerves to be shamed for a little minute and go in a fasting and pray and hold your head down. You still come out about your attack. Nation, yeah, we come and say, we were. Go sit down and no shame when you see it. You should be so ashamed of yourself. Your church family should be ashamed of you. Your biological family is supposed to be ashamed of you. Supposed to be so ashamed of yourself. But no, you don't know how to be ashamed. So you keep on coming out here. Keep on coming out here because you have no shame. You have no conscience. Gracie, you're less than a woman because you don't have a heart. You don't have a uterus. You don't have a conscience. You don't have love for nobody. See people that talk about you that I'm not curtail them. One time I not pull them off for you. And you send for this. Me never send for you, Gracie. Me never trouble you. When you cuss me and do the most, me never trouble you. Gracie, go and sit yourself down. The same people and when you call their name and rub them wrong, me never know could have cuss so good. You for go and sit down. The little young girl I beat you for 6 pounds social media. You think I mean you have up? Ask anybody. I don't mean your grudge at the little kid. The kid that make you feel a type of way. I go WhatsApp you, Gracie. I go send you 2 pictures with the kid and make it mad you. See next time you see mirror, walk past it. Walk fast. Because mirror frightening when you see a reflection. You stay bad. You stay bad in your mind, you stay bad in your heart, and it'll show up on your outside. Look how you make social media turn you ugly. Look how you make social media make you can't sleep. Look how you make social media make you can't breathe. The way your soul greedy for information and content you're going to yam from the enemy. You know, so you're wicked somebody and you come out here and cuss everybody. You want to cuss the same people that were sitting next to you. This few little supporters where you have them that know so you soon come cuss them. You're strong for doing me no business with you and doing. You're strong for puss and rat and bat, me no business with you and them. You're strong for chit chat, me no business with you and chit chat. Chit chat is a friend of mine. I tell chit chat do not answer you because you don't work the answer. Me telling chit chat not to answer you, that not supposed to make you come for my daughter. Come for me because I me say it, right, Cedric? If I say it, then me no want she last night. If I say it, come for me, because I me trouble you if you feel like you were troubled and nobody trouble you. It was good counsel, good advice, but because you don't know nothing good, because you're a hog, big sow, big cow,